All right, seller seminars, you can do that on Zoom. You can call, we already did for sale by owners. You guys know expires and withdrawals are in your MLS system. And when you reach out to these people, all you're trying to do is bring 10. Do you think you could get 10 buyers to an open house? I mean, most of you guys haven't seen our Epic, most of you guys have seen our Epic open house system. You think you can get 10 buyers to an open house? If these people don't know how to market. That's why this home's been on the market for 30 plus days.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay. But what if you said, hey, I got 3 buyers I want to bring by, 5 buyers I want to bring by Saturday from 2 to 3, Sunday 3 to 4. By the way, those are the best times. That's why I'm using those times. Saturday 2 to 3, Sunday 3 to 4.
Yes, they'll come.
Okay, they'll come. Okay, right? So you just go through here, and this is, I'm giving you the cheap, I got 20, 30 ways to find listings. So 1109, I don't want to go over because I know some of you guys want to go to the other training with Shelly. I know this is good. I know you'd love to do this all day.